Hello, welcome to Linear AutoCAD Tutorials. In this video, we are going to be understanding how to perform the zoom and pan command in AutoCAD. Before we dive into zoom and pan, we would show you how to select. To select an object, you either use the blue selection polygon or the green selection polygon. For the green selection polygon, you click on a blank space and you drag to your left. What you notice is the polygon created is green. This indicates that the object you are selecting just has to be a portion of the object for the full object to be selected. When you are satisfied with the position you want to select the object at, you click again. And as you notice, I've selected a portion of this object which was partly selected. Click on a blank space again and you drag towards your right. For the blue selection polygon, you must select the full object you want to select for the object to be selected. If you're satisfied with what it has closed, you can click again, or left click. And if you notice it selected just the top of this object, indicating that those were the only portions that were completely enclosed within the polygon. For today's class, to teach you how to zoom and to pan, we started with the pan command. The shortcut for the pan command is the P on your keyboard. After you type your P, you enter. Now, your cursor is going to change to a hand icon which indicates that it's ready to pan. To pan, you left click and hold, and you move to the left, and you move to the right, and you move it upwards, and you move your drawing downwards. That's how to pan. When you are done panning, you escape. Another way to pan is to use your scroll wheel. Now your scroll wheel is the button at the center of your mouse. You click on the button and hold, and move your drawing to the left or to the right or above or below. When you are done and you release your scroll wheel, the action is released. The final way to pan is to use your navigation bar. Now the pan icon is the hand icon. Just left click on it and it activates. When you bring it to your drawing area, all you need to do is to left click and hold, move to your right, move to your left, or whatever direction you want to move your object towards. When you are done, you escape. Now we move to zoom. The shortcut for zooming is the Z letter on your keyboard. When you type Z, you enter, it's ready to zoom. And the default zooming option is the zoom window. Now you remember we taught you how to create a window in this lesson. To create a window, you click on the blank space and you drag. Click on this space and we drag. We're ready to zoom into this object within this window. And we are satisfied, you click on the blank space again. And what happens? Your object is zoomed. To zoom out, you can use your scroll wheel. Your scroll wheel to zoom out, you just need to scroll backwards. And to zoom in, you need to scroll forwards. And you can zoom in and zoom out. The final way to zoom is to use your navigation bar. When you go to your navigation bar, you have the zoom option. When you click on the drop down, you have several ways to zoom. We are going to be treating a couple of them. The zoom extent ensures that your object occupies the whole screen. When you click on the zoom extent, it ensures that your object occupies the whole screen. The next option is the zoom window, which we've shown you how to perform that in the first action for zoom. And when you click on zoom previous, it takes you to the most recent zoom command you performed before the current one. When you click on the drop down again, you have zoom real time. When you click on zoom real time, it permits you to zoom by left clicking and holding, and when you move forwards, you zoom in, and when you move your mouse backwards, you zoom out. When you click on the drop down again, you have zoom all, which ensures that all the objects within your drawing area is displayed. When you zoom all, the object within your drawing area is displayed. And you can also select a window for it to zoom into. Click here, we drag. Select the window and it has zoomed into that same window we selected. But the final thing we are going to be treating is zoom object. For the zoom object option, you need to select an object which AutoCAD is supposed to zoom into. Let's say we select the beam pier side view and enter. What happens is the beam pier side view is now magnified to occupy our full screen in our drawing area. That will be the last function for zoom for this class. Don't forget to share this video if you found it useful, like, and also suggest to us what videos you'd like to see subsequently. Thank you for watching.